All right, hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. We are now February 2nd, and we're going to be starting on another project. I don't know if any of you guys know, but in Texas, we had some snow, which is actually pretty crazy. And so here's one of my kids just jumping in the snow. Pretty exciting. He was super excited. One, because he didn't have to go to school, and two, because he got to play in the snow. All right, so real briefly, I'm going to show you guys what we got going on here. I went ahead and got out there and just basically put this. I just did this to, part of you got to have fun when you do this stuff, man. And I had a little bit of time today, and I kind of wanted to get this done simply because it was just I had the material. We used the same exact board that we had at the other one across the street there, or on the backside of this street. And so just did some post digging. If you got those things to dig posts, you just use that. It's very, very easy to use. Put those in and put this up. And I kind of used tape. I was just kind of just hand jamming it. And here's my finished product, 403 MLK, which is exciting because that's going to be our next duplex that's coming up. So this is going to be the very next one. So one of the things that we need to do at the very beginning is call for 811 call before you dig. And if you notice here, we called them up and they've already got some of these things up. So let me see if I can move this out of the way. So it looks like Frontier, which is a cable company, is basically saying there's buried fiber optic cable below. So they want you to hand dig. It doesn't say specifically. I'm sure we can call them up and try to figure it out, but we're going to be careful in that area. We always want to call before we dig. And then we have another one over here near the property, which is, this is going to be buried gas, Centerpoint Energy. They have a little scan code there that you can take a look at and basically get an idea of where this stuff is at. So it's looking good, guys. We are about to get started. Today is Sunday, and February 2nd, we're going to be starting hopefully tomorrow on this particular project, and I'm super excited about it. You guys are going to be able to see a whole nother project from very beginning to the very end, how the whole process works, from the beginning of the permitting to the plans, the development, everything else is pretty much done. And the next one that I'm going to do, the next video I'm going to do with you guys here is going to be really just going over the plans. I'm sorry, it's going to be going over the actual plans, the blueprints, what those look like, and just kind of show you a couple of few things that you need to know. And that way you kind of get an idea of where you're going once you get started on the project. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Short day. I'll talk to you soon.